Rust on your bathtub stopper can be super annoying, especially when your powder room barely gets any use and you keep it clean. So, first off, rust usually shows up because the stopper is made of metal that reacts to moisture and air over time, even if you're not using it much. That bathroom's humidity could be hanging around, causing the metal to oxidize. Hard water is another big player here. If your water has lots of minerals like calcium and magnesium, it can speed up rust formation. Using harsh cleaners like toilet bowl cleaner or Draino, especially those with hydrochloric acid, can actually eat away at the metal finish, making rust pop up faster. If your stopper isn't stainless steel or has a protective coating that's chipped or worn, it's an easy target for rust. To slow it down, make sure the stopper dries out between uses by lifting it up after showers or baths. Regularly wiping it with a soft cloth can help too, and avoid those acidic cleaners right on the stopper. If hard water is the problem, consider installing a water softener or at least drying the stopper thoroughly after use to keep minerals from building up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with rust on bathtub stoppers is ignoring the type of cleaner they use. Acidic cleaners like Draino will corrode metal parts, so switching to gentler, non-acidic cleaners is a must. Another common issue is leaving the stopper down all the time. That traps water and moisture, which encourages rust, so lifting it up to air out helps loads. Lastly, not checking the stopper's material or protective coating means you might miss early signs of damage. If you see chips or scratches, fixing or replacing the stopper before rust sets in can save you headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find local contractors that actually know their stuff and don't mess around. For contractors, it's a solid spot to get real leads and build their business by connecting with people who need work done.